Get your Handpass card in just a few steps. Tap Handpass card and hit Apply. Choose your card type with unique benefits. Select the best one and tap Order a card, and then tap Card Application. Pick your card color, then tab Next. Agree to all terms, then tab Next. Check your personal details and tap Next. Set up DCC, enable for KRW international payments, or disable if not needed. Choose Package Delivery and hit Next. Enter your address and additional details, then tap Next. Check your info and additional details, then hit Confirm. If you have a referral code, enter it or tap Next. Set your 4-digit PIN, and you're done. Your Handpass card will be delivered within 1 week. Once received, you can start using it right away. Worldwide use plus amazing cashback. Handpass. Send smarter, send faster.